A train simulator package contains add-on content for your railway simulation, new routes, rolling stock, or scenarios ready to expand your virtual railroad. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you install, manage, or troubleshoot these train simulator add-on packages. From my years in support, there is an advanced proprietary solution I use when all other methods fail to open an RWP file. Here's a sneak peek. RWP Files are add-on content packages for Train Simulator by Dovetail Games, containing locomotives, rolling stock routes, scenarios, and other DLC content. They package train models, textures, sounds, physics data, and route information for installation into the simulation. Train Simulator RWP. Files use a proprietary package format containing compressed asset bundles with 3D models, texture files, sound samples, physics configuration, XMLs, and scenario scripts. They are installed through the game's content manager or manual placement in the assets directory. The preferred application for managing the RWP file is Train Simulator Classic from Dovetail Games. The file requires external codec support that Windows does not provide natively. Windows lacks full decompression support for many archives, so extraction must be done in dedicated tools. We are performing a vital check of your system's software. Right-click your RWP file and choose Open With. Test with Train Simulator Classic first. If it's missing, select another program. The fix is often a simple compatibility swap. If you cannot access the RWP file, no problem. We've established the file is difficult. Take immediate action by running these 3 essential quick troubleshooting procedures. First, installing content. Place the RWP file in the train simulator, installation directories, packages folder, typically at Steam Apps Common Railworks packages. Launch Train Simulator, and the Content Manager will detect and install the package, automatically adding new content to your available selections. Next, managing installed content. Open Train Simulator's built-in Content Manager to view all installed packages, including RWP content. Enable or disable specific packages to manage what content is active. Uninstall packages through the Content Manager to remove unwanted add-on content and free disk space. Finally, troubleshooting missing content. If installed, RWP content does not appear in the game, verify the package file is in the correct packages directory. Run Train Simulator as administrator for the first launch after installation. Check the game's error log for asset loading failures that may indicate corrupted package data. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. File Magic is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagic.com. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.